Hello and welcome to 475 East Arch Street. We are in Indianapolis, Indiana. The address is 46202. For information about this beautiful home, call 317-590-4470. This is a townhome-style condo. It's got a nice big patio on back. It is an end unit, which is very desirable. It's a two-story with a garage, very coveted in downtown Indianapolis. This is in a neighborhood called Renaissance Place, and you can get more information on Renaissance Place from www.townsq.com. Welcome. This home is on the market today, the 28th of 2021, February 28th, at $279,900. It's been on the market for 11 days. It is 1,120 square feet on 2 stories. It's got 1 bedroom, 1.5 baths, and as you can see, a big, huge, beautiful loft with lots of flexibility for uses. There's a nice coat closet here. And you're on a cul-de-sac for lots of privacy and no traffic. This is brand new carpet. It was put in this month, February of 2021. This is a wood-burning stove. We have vaulted ceilings. Not only is the fireplace brick, but the exterior of the unit is brick. These homes are built on a slab, so you don't have a crawl space to cause you any trouble. All of the windows, including the sliding glass door, are newer. They were put in 2019. This home is very light and bright and open. It has big windows and lots of them. It's a beautiful red accent wall. It's very open floor plan from the living room to the dining room, to the kitchen, and to the patio. Now this is a real plus, particularly with downtown living. You have your own little private patio with a 6-foot high fence, a nice little yard that you could have grass or mulch, a nice concrete patio, and this is a great place to sit 9 months a year and really enjoy your home, entertain your friends. You're walking distance from Massachusetts Avenue here, and so this is a really fun, entertaining, popular place to live. The living room here is 18 by 13, and this dining area is 9 by 9. This kitchen is nothing but opportunity. The cabinets would be very easy to paint. Just a small amount of granite would be necessary if you prefer a hard surface. These are vinyl countertops, so they're very durable, neutral, and soft if you break something. The appliances are newer. Nice white stove and oven, a white microwave. This white refrigerator is virtually brand new. It's in pristine condition, completely cool. For environmental sensitivity, the freezer is on the bottom. The dishwasher is also newer. And if these cabinets were painted white, they would just blend with these white appliances, and it would be really nice. The stove is an electric cooktop, but the home has gas. It also has a gas water heater, so you'd get hot water in this kitchen really quickly. Let's go out and look at those mechanicals. The garage light just burned out, so let me open the garage door. This is the part that you don't normally get to see in the fancy online videos. There is an electric garage door opener, as you can hear, and there is a keyless entry. This water heater is only 7 years old. It's a gas water heater. This is an efficient gas furnace. There's gobs of storage in this 1-car garage. Inside we have a washer and dryer just inside. It's in a really handy spot. As you come in, it's a full-size washer and dryer, and all these appliances can be left with the home for the right offer. This is the powder room. This home is 1.5 baths. This is really nice vinyl tile. Vinyl tile is really popular right now. Now let's go upstairs. That's a fire engine, as you could tell. This home has vaulted ceilings. That makes it roomy and bright. It makes it feel open. It's really nice that the loft is open to the downstairs. This home has a newer roof. The roof is about 1 year old. There's cable in every room in the house. You can use AT&T, Spectrum, and others like Comcast. This is the loft. This can be an office. It can be a bedroom. It would make a great den, gaming room. Has a nice big closet. And it's really great that it's open to the downstairs. Somebody can be up here working in the office, and they can just holler down and feel like they're a part of whatever's going on the main floor. You have a view overlooking your patio. The units here are nice and far apart in Renaissance Place. We are at approximately St. Clair and Alabama, just north of Massachusetts Avenue. This is a Jack and Jill bath. That means that you can enter it from the hallway. There's a full tub and shower combination. There's lots of storage alternatives, including this nice linen closet, towel bars, shelves, a nice light bar, and even a medicine cabinet. You have 2 sinks and lots of cabinet space. Another towel bar in a really pretty color of navy blue. In this bathroom, we also have vinyl tile floor, and it looks like marble. It's really pretty. And there's extra. This is the master bedroom. It has its own private balcony, brand new carpet throughout. It has a walk-in closet. This home has central air conditioning. The electric bill is only $100 per month on the average. Gas is $34 a month on the average, and water is $65 a month on the average. Since this is a townhome-style condo complex, you do have an HOA fee. The HOA fee is $183 a month. And when you have a condo arrangement, that includes the entire exterior of the unit. So the brick, the siding, the concrete, anything on the outside is both insured and maintained by the HOA. That also means that your insurance is basically condo insurance, which is more like renter's insurance. It's very low in cost. And the HOA dues include yard work, snow removal, and trash. You have a nice little private deck here. This is a wonderful neighborhood. You are walking distance to theaters like Old National, the Bottle Works District, which has a movie theater, hotels, 2 grocery stores, and gobs of restaurants. Again, we're at 475 East Arch Street in the Renaissance Place neighborhood, and call 317-590-4470 for more information. Thank you.